Good morning, first grade. Today, we are going to be talking about sentences again. Today, specifically, we are talking about sentences that need to have an end mark, which is all of them, isn't it? So today, though, an end mark, just so you know, can also be called a punctuation mark. And today, our punctuation mark or end mark that we're talking about is a period. You can see I even left last lesson's stuff up on the background, because each of those has to have an end mark, doesn't it? A punctuation mark, and that punctuation mark is a period. So today, you do not have a worksheet to sit in front of you, but you have this sheet sitting in front of me that we are going to work through together. So please make sure that you have your focus and that you're ready to learn. Here we go. We need to put a period at the end of each sentence. Then we have to circle the end mark that we used. So sentence number 1 says, I see a tan bag. What do I need at the end of that sentence? I need a period. Then it says, remember, I have to circle the mark. To circle it, that reminds me that I need to have a period. Number 2, a cat can play. What needs to go at the end of that? A period. And what else do I need to do? Circle it. Number 3, Tab hid in the bag. What needs to go at the end of that sentence? A period. And then go ahead and circle. Number 4, she is not sad. What goes at the end of that sentence? She is not sad. A period. What else do we need to do? Circle it. Number 5, Tab can go in. You're right, a period. And number 6, she can go out. She can go out. That's just a statement. So what does it need at the end? A period. And circle it. If I have a sentence over here that I put up that says, Sam is mad. What would need to go at the end of that sentence? We would need to put a period. Okay, I'm going to flip this paper over for a minute because I want to review word order, which is the main idea for this week. So I want you to go ahead and take a look. Now, because I see that my end mark is a period, I know that it cannot be a question. So I can't say, is Pam so small? I have to start with Pam. Pam what? Pam is. Pam is so small. Then I would need to put my period at the end of my sentence. What about this one? Hot pan the is. Ooh. Now, what is this sentence going to be talking about? We need a noun. Our noun, person, place, or thing, that's the pan. I have to start with the, though, because it's describing the pan. So the needs to have a capital T. The pan is. Now hot, am I going to put a capital H? No. Lowercase h. And then I could put a period. Now I could also write that sentence and be telling someone in a really serious tone of voice or in a very exclamatory type of way, because I really want to make sure that they know that this is hot and it's serious. Especially if you're talking to a little kid, right? Like even your age. You'd want them to make sure that they knew that this was hot. The pan is hot. Notice how my voice changed? Or I could say, the pan is hot. Notice how that's how I use a period. That exclamation mark is to mean I'm going to say it with some expression in my voice. Okay, first grade, today. we were talking about punctuation marks. We want to make sure that we have a punctuation mark at the end of our sentence. And today we are talking about the punctuation mark, period. So we have periods at the end of our sentences, and we circle them to make sure that we understood that they were period and that they had a reason for being in our sentences. Tomorrow we will continue with our word order. You do not have anything to put into your folder for today, so just make sure that you come back tomorrow. We'll see you later.